What's going on, guys? So kind of want to look at two stocks. These stocks had tremendous moves on Friday's session. So these stocks that I want to get into is going to be one, Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. Next stock is going to be Amazon, AMZN. Both these stocks confirmed a lot of supply, and I'm looking for a day 2, day 3 continuation. I'm looking for a next possible leg up on this stock. So if we take a look at Coinbase going back 3 to 4 months, you can see after its initial IPO date here, we ran up to 429 and then kind of just sold all the way off to a low of 208. Kind of been trading inside of a range here between this 200 and 250 area. So with that being said, Coinbase has still offered many days of potentially and successful good trades. For those of you guys who took part in those trades, I myself have probably traded Coinbase on a scalping perspective a handful of times over the past couple of months, made decent gains on that. So just looking at Coinbase from a bigger perspective here, you can see here we're forming a little bit of this W pattern, kind of a little wacky W, but to say the least here, we did confirm a big level of supply here on the linear regression channel 50 as well as the 200-day moving average. Obviously, the body of work, the data available to us is not that big because Coinbase is a relatively new stock and ticker symbol to the market. However, we did close above this area of supply, had a nice gap up here from this 262 area into the supply here at 272. So what I am looking for here on Coinbase is to get long over 282. I'm going to use a 200-day moving average on a swing trade as my absolute stop. If we're talking about scalping, we're going to use a little bit of a smaller time frame, maybe the 5-minute, maybe the 2-minute, depending on if you're you like to scalp very fast and you're looking to take large size, very small profits, get in and out relatively quickly. Or if you're looking to be more so on the day trading aspect, maybe where you go a little bit smaller size, but looking for that bigger move, we can use the hourly time frame. But what I am looking for is a $282 break. As soon as Coinbase does that, I'm an options trader. I'm going to go long 5 to 10 contracts, depending on the premium and how well the volume and the momentum in the stock is doing. We did have a lot of momentum kick in on Friday, which I like to see anytime that we clear over an area of supply. So 282 is what I'm looking for here. Looking to get long. Obviously, my first price target here is going to be this top wick. That's going to be around anywhere from 290 to 293. I'm going to look to scale out and take profits there. Any close over that 293.17 area, I will look to hold a runner and see where that next continuation leg is going to stop before we back trace into this rising support here. If we have a little bit of an inside bar day, meaning that we do not cross 282 and we kind of trickle down lower and kind of close in this inside candle here, no harm, no foul. I'm just going to wait and stay patient for my trade. My trade is over 282. Here's a problem that a lot of traders have. Okay, I throw out a lot of pivots intraday in my Discord. If you guys aren't a member of my Discord, join my Discord. I throw out free plays as well as I do have a paid service where I do kind of more actively the trades that I'm currently taking and do a little bit more in-depth technicals for those paid members. However, to say the least, if this doesn't hit my target, I don't enter the trade. That doesn't necessarily mean that the trade is off. That means that I just need to continue to stay patient and wait for my trade. So my trade right now on Coinbase is 282. As soon as it breaks 282, I'm looking to get long. It doesn't break 282 and wants to trickle around and back test support. That's fine. I'm going to let it do its thing. But until it confirms 282 with some good volume, good momentum, is when I'm going to enter the trade. Next stock is Amazon. Monster day, up 109 points, 3.5% on the day. Cleared out the 50-day moving average, which is key. The breakout on Amazon was here over this consolidation. From a scalping perspective, where we're looking at 33.27, okay, even with 33.27, first price target was going to be the 50-day moving average at 33.48, so about a 20-point move. If you took part in that 20-point move, congratulations, you did your job. Did you know that the stock was going to go up 100 points? Of course not. 20 points, 10 points is more than enough with sufficient size on the stock. As soon as we clear out all of this remaining supply, the 50-day moving average, 50 EMA, as well as the 100, 150, there was more room to run. So the next breakout or the next entry on Amazon would have been 33.63. Obviously, next price target, because stocks are going to trade from supply to supply, from demand to demand. We already know that. So we know that we had a break of 33.65 into this 3,400. So about 35, 40 points worth of upside there. So if you caught any part of this move, congratulations. What we're looking for now here is a little bit of consolidation. This is a big move. We're looking for a little bit of a dip here. But what I'm looking for and what I'm waiting for is a break of 34.10. As soon as we break 34.10, my price target, next supply zone, 34.40. So I'm looking for anywhere from 20 to 30 points on this move. Potential swing, maybe 1 week to 2 weeks. Until we break 34.10, I am staying out of the trade. I am letting the trade develop. And when I say letting the trade develop, it means that we want to let it do its thing. If it wants to dip, let it dip. If it wants to consolidate, let it consolidate. Massive volume came in on Friday. We know that the momentum is behind the stock. Potentially, this is a short-term bottom for the triple Qs and overall market. So going forward, we know that as soon as we get that 34.10 break, we're going to have a big area of opportunity for a trade to the long side. I'm not really looking for anything to the short side. I'm not going to be one of these people or these traders that says, we had a big day, it's going to take a dip. Of course it's going to take a dip. All stocks go up, all stocks must go down. But being that we did close above the 50-day moving average, this stock no longer becomes a short for me. It becomes a long off of support or a long breaking through previous highs. So 34.10 is what I'm looking for. Keep an eye on Amazon, join the Discord, hit a like, subscribe, share this content. I hope to see you guys all in my Discord or in my private members feed or on the next YouTube video.